Hello guys, welcome back to today mathematics class for this upcoming WAEC examination. So if you write this upcoming examination, WAEC examination, do not miss this class. Okay, this is the first class of today. So we are going to be looking at the solution to this mathematics question. I picked this question from WAEC past question, that is 24 past question, at question 8. Now let's look at the solution and how to solve this question in a very easy way. Let's look at how the step by step to solve this mathematics question. If I just watch it for the first time, you have to follow us, give a like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Share with your friend. God bless you as you do so. So let's look at it. The question is that if log base 3 open bracket 2s minus 1 close bracket minus equal to 5. Find the value of s. So we're told to find the value of s. Now, how do you solve this question? If you look at this question now, whenever you're given a question in WAEC examination and whenever you're given a question in mathematics, try as much as possible to identify the topic of the question, because if you identify the topic of the question, you find it very easy for you to solve. Okay, because every topic in mathematics has its own rules and regulations to follow, has its own steps used to solve. Now, if you look at this question, and since log is being mentioned, you can see that for the logarithm. Okay, this question was paid for the logarithm. Now, look at the law of logarithm that look at this expression. The law of logarithm that look at this expression. If you still remember the law of logarithm states that if you have a log of base a of n, okay, base a of n is equal to s. If you have an expression like this one, it means that this a is a base, it's a base part of s. The answer given is this n. Okay, according to the law of logarithm, it means that this base here we have here, this base here, which is a, it's a base part of this s. This has to be the index of this a, and the answer we produce is this n. So it will be equal to, if you have a statement like this, the answer it will be equal to a base part of s, okay, a base part of this is s, and the answer give is equal to what? N, which is this. Again now, which is this. Now, if you compare it to what we have here, you can see that this 3 raised power of 5 here, and the answer give is what? 2s minus 1. That's it. Now, that was the first step. Now, let's look at the first step now. That means that 3, okay, let me write it, that is 3 raised power of 5, okay, equal to 3 raised power of this, of 5, equal to 2, that is what? Equal to 2 what? S minus 1. That's simple. Now you can make this one in a very simple equation. Now this one will give us a very simple equation. Now if you ask yourself question that how many 3 raised to the power of 5 here, it means that 3 multiplying itself in 5 places. 3 times 3 is 3 in 5 places. That's the meaning of this. Now if you use a calculator, if it's 3 raised to the power of 5, it will give us as 243. Okay, 3 raised to the power of 5 will give you 243. I get now. Equal to, we have 2s minus 1. Now we want to find the value of s. Now you have to find the means to cancel minus 1 for this place, so it means that you collect the lifetime where we take this minus 1 to the other side there. I get that. So when you take this minus 1 to the other side there, the minus 1 we immediately call this equal to, it will change to plus. I get that. So that means that we have 243 plus 1 equal to what? 2s. Now we can simply say that 2s is the same thing, because 2s is equal to 2 plus 243 plus 1, that give us as 244. Again, now we give us 244. So we're told to find the value of s. Now, and if you look at this, s is still attached to 2. So what we do to make s 0 in the formula is to divide both sides by the coefficient of s. And what is the coefficient of s here? The coefficient of s here is what? Is 2. So that means that we divide both sides by 2, and divide this side by 2. So this 2 cancel this 2 here. So that means that we have our s. Let me try to rule this part. So that means that we have our s left. S is equal to now how many 2 can you see in this 244? That is equal to 122. So the answer is equal to what? 122. So that means that the value of s is equal to 122. Again, now that is a step by step to solve this kind of mathematics question. And in case you see this kind of mathematics question in this upcoming examination, this is a step by step to solve it. I hope you guys are getting it. Don't forget to share with a friend. God bless you guys as you do so. Follow us for more interesting mathematics class for this upcoming WAEC examination. Let's meet in the next class.